Hello and welcome to the Cozy Condo Creations living room set. I'm Seth and we'll go over everything in the set and what you need to put it together. Let's get started. First, you'll need some nice sharp scissors. Next, you'll need a craft stick or clean popsicle stick. Preferably, it's the smaller of these two sizes, but you can make do with what you have. Next, you will need some glue sticks. If possible, we recommend using purple Elmer's glue sticks. Those are all the supplies you'll need. So now, let's take a look at each sheet you've printed out. The artwork and characters may differ depending on your set, but the instructions will all still apply. The first sheet will be the lid of the box. You'll simply cut around the perimeter of the design. Note that there are two places where you will cut into the pattern. This is to create flaps for securing the folds and creating the 3D shapes. You'll see this on a few of the elements. I'll make sure to call it out each time. This next sheet is the outside of the front of the box. This is the outside of the back of the box. Note that you'll cut into this pattern in two places, similar to the lid. This sheet is the inside of the front of the box. The box for this set is double layered, so you will glue the inside and outside elements together. This sheet is the inside of the back of the box. Note that there are two places to cut into this pattern in the same locations as the outside of the back of the box. This sheet contains the character, the video game console, and the elements of the houseplant. Note that the plant itself has a place that will be cut into, but that will not happen until we've glued it together. You will also be cutting into this black rectangle. This sheet contains several props like a magazine, watering can, laptop, and pillows. It also contains the handles for the box. This sheet is 3 of the 4 elements that will make up the sofa. These pieces are the main body and the arms of the sofa. Notice there are several places in these patterns to cut into them. This page is the most complex element, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. This sheet contains the bookshelf and the book. The inner portion of the book does have a few spots that will need additional cuts. The final sheet contains the coffee table as well as the 4th piece of the sofa, the bottom. The top of the coffee table has 4 places that you will need to cut into the pattern. And that's everything. The first thing we're going to do is cut everything out, and then we'll go through and assemble everything element by element. Ready? Let's go!